I now request our secretary.
From the club's I-80, immediate past president, Rotarian Shantanu Mukhya, amidst a round of applause from members, friends and family.
The most important thing, the charter.
Thank you, sir, for handing over the bouquet to my wife. That was much needed. Otherwise, it would have been a problem for me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My first goal as the president is to finish speaking before you all stop listening. But let's not rush. I have been having some sleepless nights, wondering what words to say, and finally the D-Day arrives.
You would like to
Released on the 23rd of November. The next day, that is the 24th, a Washington Schools program was held in Ganesh High School. Members of the Bodhana NGO gave menstrual hygiene management training to the girls' students.
The unit works in sync with Rotary during the Pulse Polio Immunization Days.
We will take on the reins of our club in the Rotary year 2020-21. Senate disposition is one to emulate. I'm proud he's our club trainer and also the chairperson for public relations. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my complete board for the year 2019-20.
A very good afternoon to all of you. I would like to hold you all back for a few more minutes to bestow my thanks on behalf of the club.
Good afternoon, everyone. I would like to thank the Rotary Club for inviting us in this mega event. I would like to request Mr. Radhesham to kindly offer the khadas to the incoming guests.
So I think I really like this theme which the President unveiled today. It says Rotary connects the world, and also the Rotary's theme itself is Rotary connects people. Now it has a direct connotation with easy.
आँखों में मंजिलें थी, गिरे और संभलते रहे। आंधियों में क्या दम था, चिराग हवा में भी चलते रहे। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं आज की रोटेरियन की इंस्टॉलेशन की सभा में कुछ शब्द अपने बोलने की शुरुआत कर रहा हूँ। और मंच पर बैठे विराजे श्री नवीन जी, सोनी और सेक्रेटरी साहिबा, मिसेस कुलो।
It was a very hard decision to become the president of Rotary Club of Kalimpong. I know how hard it is, and I request each and every member that I will need your help. 2 years ago, it was, I think, 5 o'clock on the 1st of November when I received a phone call, and on the other end it was Rotary Ganesh Pradhan. He requested me to become the president-elect nominee for 2019-20. And I had to answer him on the phone call. And I knew it was a very hard decision. It's not a joke. What I did was, I took out the purse from my pockets. I opened the purse and then I got some courage and I said yes. Do you know why I said yes? Does anybody has the idea what I did? Oh, the purse had a photograph of my wife when I said, when I can handle her, why not?
adjourn this meeting for fellowship and lunch. Thank you.